Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to make private match 2 1v1 or play against bots in Modern Warfare 3. Open the game, go to private match, then click on create private match. Then click on plus icon, then click on invite player. Then go to add bots, then select the amount 3, then select the difficulty you want, then click on confirm, then go to game setup, then select the modes you want. Then go to game rules, go to gameplay, then go to 4 same loadouts, then change it to 2 rounds, then go back and start match. By following the steps, you can make private match 2 1v1 or play against bots in Modern Warfare 3.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.